In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in broker on Metatrader 5 app. By the end, you'll be connected to your trading account on MT5 and ready to see live prices and charts. Start by opening the Metatrader 5 app on your phone. Make sure you're on the official MT5 app and that your internet connection is stable, since a weak signal can cause login errors that look like password problems. Next, head to the Accounts area. On Android, open the menu icon, and on iPhone, tap Settings. From there, go to Manage Accounts or choose New Account. This is where you add or switch between trading accounts, including demo and live profiles. Now add your broker. Select the option that says Login to an existing account. You'll see a search bar. Type your broker's name carefully and choose the result that exactly matches your broker. After that, you must select the correct server. This is crucial. Brokers often have multiple servers labeled for demo or live accounts, and sometimes several live servers. Pick the exact server specified by your broker. The name will match what you see in your broker dashboard or welcome message. Choosing the wrong server is the #1 reason logins fail. Enter your login details. In the login field, type your trading account number. In the password field, enter your trading password. The server should already be the one you selected. These credentials come from your broker's account area. If you copy and paste, watch out for extra spaces. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check upper and lower case letters. Tap Login or Sign In. If the credentials and server are correct, MT5 will connect within a few seconds. You'll see your account balance appear, quotes and symbols will start updating, and charts will load with live or demo prices depending on the server you chose. That's your confirmation that you're connected to your broker inside MT5. If you run into issues, start by verifying the server selection, especially whether it's demo or live. Then confirm the broker name spelling in the search results and make sure you selected the official listing. If it still doesn't work, reset your trading password from your broker's dashboard and try again. Some brokers also let you log in using a QR code from their app or website. If you see that option, it can save time and reduce typos. That's it. Open MT5, go to Accounts, choose your broker's exact server, enter your account number and trading password, and sign in. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to trade on the Metatrader 5 app.